Okay.
Alright, it's go time now.
Michael get his camera there.
Wait. Let me also do my video. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Woo! Look at that!
Amazing.
Hey guys, Cody couldn't be here today unfortunately, so I'll be taking over the channel for a bit. We are currently at Pfaff McLaren and we're about to step inside and take a look at my friend's new 600LT, first one in Canada. We'll give you a quick tour of the car, show you the ins and outs, and start it up for you. Andrew, what's the occasion?
Well, this is the unveiling of Clyde Cohen's new car, which is the end of almost an 18-month conversation, I think, that he and I have been having about his next sports car. So it's a pretty big deal today.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Very happy.
Cheers. Cheers, Clyde. Congratulations,
Thank
my
you.
friend.
Salute.
Terrence.
Salute.
Here's the first 600 in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Amazing, just like you told me.
Alright, it's go time now.
Michael get his camera there.
Wait. Let me also do my video. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Woo! Look at that!
Amazing.
Canada's first 600 longtail. All prepped and ready to go. Let's take a peek on the inside, everybody. Ooh, look at that. Some beautiful orange belts.
Okay, Clyde, you know what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Time to shoot some flames.
Time to shoot some flames.
Bring marshmallows.
All right.
Alright, here we go, Clyde. How does it sound?
Sounds amazing.
Alright guys, I know that video was a little bit on the shorter side of things, but we didn't have that much time with the car. It was still being prepped for delivery and then eventually put back into storage. But trust me when I say this, the car will be on the channel a lot more once spring rolls around. We'll take a much more detailed look at the car inside and out, and hopefully even a track day with the car. I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to Pfaff McLaren, to Andrew at Pfaff McLaren, and to the owner of the 600 for letting us film the first 600LT in Canada. And it's not even that it's the first, just filming it in general. It's a great honor, and I can't tell you how grateful I am for that honor and to be allowed to do such a thing. So thank you again, guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Crush that subscribe button down in your corner there, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.